AI is taking over the photo booth industry. Get in the trend right now or get left behind. People are using AI in the photo booth industry every single day to get creative, get more bookings, and attract premium customers while charging premium rates. But let's be honest, 99% of AI use cases I see are unrealistic, sometimes even unprofessional. That's why today I decided to show you a sleek and real-world use case that you can adapt in a million ways to really get creative out there and start getting those high-paying bookings. Now, if you're new here, people call me Bill. I'm the guy who works with almost every 5-star venues in Paris and continues to do so. My goal is pretty simple: to give you the knowledge and the confidence to build a profitable photo booth business, land your dream customers, and make real money. Not 500, not even 1,000. I want you to book 5-figure gigs and up. Today, we'll be making these ultra personalized trading cards. Every single step will be explained. Every product link will be in the description, and every single question, even the dumbest ones, will be answered in the comment section. I don't like wasting time, so the lessons start right now. But before we dive in, make sure you're in a calm environment because this is pure gold, but it can get a little technical. So step number 1, create your design. This step requires you to know the paper size you're going to use. I would choose 5 by 3.5 inches just because I have a small rest of 5 by 7 paper and ribbon box left. Now, this is a 5 by 7 paper. This is 5, this is 7. If you fold this like this remains 5. This is 7 divided by 2, so this is 3.5. This is the paper I have right now. I will have to fold this like this since the trading card size is 2.5 by 3.5. So you can see that when I fold my paper 2 times, I get the ideal size of a trading card. Pretty simple, right? This was the hardest part of this tutorial. If you understand this part, you're good to go. Now that we know our paper size, let's move to the design process. You will deal with both faces, front and back. For simplicity, I will make a simple design on the back, but you can always go crazy if you want to. I just don't have all that time to allocate to a free project when I've got paid events to handle. Once that part is done, we'll go into our software to make the magic happen. Today I'm using TouchPix, and to be honest, I was surprised the software could achieve this. But yeah, they delivered. And huge shout out to Juan from the TouchPix team for always having my back when I feel lost. You don't find this kind of customer support everywhere. So kudos to TouchPix for that. In TouchPix software, create a new event. Then head over to Photo AI, choose landscape 500 times 1050 pixels template. Add the background design first. Then the front of the trading card as an overlay. If it's not transparent, it will not work. Lastly, add the AI picture and bring it behind the front design so the image stays inside the trading card. Now let's add some ketchup on top of the fries. We'll have people enter their name and see it appear on the card. To do that, you want to go back and activate Show Personalized Captions in the Photo Functions menu. Then head over to the design and hit text. You can change the size, the font, the color, and make all of your adjustments. To make it dynamic, just put it in between 2 quotes like this. To spice things up, I'll duplicate the text and make the second one blue for a shadow style look. Add that to your event and boom. Then comes the prompt part. I really shouldn't share this kind of secret with you. I just don't know how to gatekeep information. To me, knowledge never gets lost. The more you share, the more you learn. I don't believe that keeping secrets makes you a good business owner. It just makes you comfortable and stops you from growing. When you share, you have to keep improving to stay the go-to guy that companies trust for huge activations. Head over to ChatGPT and type something like this. I'm turning these regular people into NFL player on the field using Nano Banana. The photo will be taken first and I want little to no edits on the face. Keep body proportions the same as input image. You'll get something like this. Transform the person in the photo into an NFL player wearing a full uniform, helmet off, pads, jersey, pants, gloves, cleats. Realistic lighting, neutral or stadium background, keep the face identical. Once you have that, you go test it on Nano Banana. If it works the way you want, you go ahead and activate your event for a final test. Now you want to go to your iPad, you open the TouchPix app, you go to Photo AI, you go to Add Custom Filter, and then you just paste your prompt and you save it. You choose Photo AI and then you start. Take the picture, you type your name, and you let the magic happen. The result is insane, and the crazy part is you don't even need a DSLR camera because AI will enhance the picture anyway. So even with an iPad camera, the outcome is very high quality. And for printing, I set up TouchPix print server exactly the same way I did with LumaBooth Assistant in the previous video. Let me know if you want me to make a tutorial about how to print with TouchPix server. Now that everything is ready, let's print. I'm out there looking like an athlete. I don't play football, but hey, look at those biceps, man. Whoever denies my athleticism is just jealous. By the way, if you want to give TouchPix a try, I will drop a link in the description so you can get the subscription at a discount. Yeah, because I always think about you guys. Then you want to use a paper cutter to trim precisely. You just tape both sides together and then slide it into this amazing magnetic card holder, and voila! Your fully customized trading card is ready. You can now add this to your services. And I always do all of these using the one and only Starboot Photobooth, aka the most versatile booth in the market. And the craziest part, we sell it not only with a free sample contract to get you ready for bookings, but also with the entire knowledge base and tutorials videos so you can work stress-free and confidently. If this video helped you even a little bit, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button to never miss one of my productions. And if you are not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. You're getting real advice from someone who's actually elite at what he does, not someone out there trying to fake it till he makes it. Plus, you're missing out big time on a ton of critical information that your competition is already absorbing. I also offer one-on-one consultations, but spots are limited and I might stop them soon, or maybe double the price because I've got way bigger projects coming. And if you got a product, a project, anything crazy that you think I can help you with, feel free to email me. All the details at contact@bootcorner.com. And if it's interesting enough, Donia, my assistant, will notify me. Also, we hit 4K subscribers on my friend channel, and we are now more than 350 on this page. Thank you so much for the love. We now have an Insta and a TikTok page, as well as a bi-weekly newsletter and a Facebook group. Every link will be down there. Take your time to check it out. See you guys very soon.